Okay, we spoke with the customer, or we've sent a proposal to the customer, and if you look, you can see this is the fuel sending unit that came out of the tank. You see all that rust, and let me get you inside here. See all that rust inside the tank here. Now, these can be cleaned out and a sealer put in. It's a long process. And this tank here has a leak right here at the mount. That's a structural point. And somebody had attempted to repair it at one time with JB Weld. So that being right there at the structural mount, the sealer will probably hold. There's some good stuff. I sealed a 59 Chevy pickup. I had fuel tank, cleaned it and sealed it, and it lasted 5-6 years until I got rid of the truck, and it was still holding when I got rid of it. But anyway, because this tank's been repaired before, and labor cost versus new poly tanks, just the price of the chemicals to seal the tank is about $20 less than 2 new poly tanks. So what we're proposing, that's not counting the labor cleaning, and because it's a long process. It's like a 4 or 5 step process to clean the rust out of there and then seal it. Plus you have, like after you put the sealer in, you have to let them dry in between stages. So not only is it time to do it, but time to wait in between different cleaning processes and sealing processes. So you could be a week doing these 2 tanks here. So what we're proposing is the 2 poly tanks, those aftermarket tanks, they're all over the place, and plenty available, and they're being plastic, they won't get the rust like that, and being where it fits, it sits up inside there, nobody sees it, and does the same job. So anyway, we're going to propose that to the customer and see what she wants to do. I believe this was a family vehicle that was her dad's or her grandfather's, something like that. I think it was her grandfather's, and had been sitting in the barn for a while, and she's pulled it out and getting it. Hey, I'm happy for her to get to drive a classic like this. I want it. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on this.